Upstairs, we have the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. We'll start with the main bedroom here, and the triple wardrobes as well, you know, so it's got plenty of space there.
Yeah, it's perfect. It is kind of, it's a good sized bedroom here for...
Bathroom there.
Okay, yeah.
It's actually been refurbed. Like I said, you know, it's nice to have that window. You might want to frost the glass while you're in the shower.
Waving out to people, but yeah, a bit of frosted.
You get to know your neighbours, you know.
They get to know us a little too well though.
Yeah, decent bathroom, okay. And then
that's the more single room that I was talking about, you know, so that, you know, again, maybe from the kids' point of view, you have bunk beds in there, you know.
Yeah, you could get bunk beds easily in there. Oh no, they're good sized bedrooms.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Yeah, I like them.
We've got the community fees on here are €54 a month. So again, quite reasonable considering you've got the pool and everything like that, which we'll go have a look at in a minute. Yeah, I mean, it's clean, it's tidy, you know. You can squeeze a double in there, probably a 135 rather than a 150. 105,000, you know.
Very, very good price. Perfect for our family. Like that, it's just, do I want another room? Am I willing to sacrifice that 3rd bedroom for the price?